Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a question that most guys are curious about, but rarely talk about honestly. How to approach a girl in public without being awkward or, worse, creepy. If you've ever walked past someone and thought, damn, I wish I'd said something, this one's for you. Stick around, because we're about to break it down step by step. First of all, let's be clear, this is not a pickup artist video. This is real advice for real people who want to build genuine confidence and have respectful interaction. Part 1. The mindset. Before you even open your mouth, your mindset matters. The biggest mistake guys make is thinking they need to be smooth or say the perfect line. Nope. What actually works? Being present, normal, and non-needy. Girls can smell desperation from across the street. And trust me, that's an instant turnoff. Part 2. The approach. Context is everything. Is she wearing headphones? On the phone? Clearly in a rush? Don't approach. How to physically approach. Don't sneak up behind her. That's weird. Approach from the side where she can see you. Keep your hands visible and make eye contact with a slight smile. Open with intent. Here's a simple line. Hey, I know this is random, but I saw you and thought you seemed really cool. I had to come say hi. Boom. Honest. Polite. Clear. Part 3. The conversation. Instead of scripted lines, talk about what's around you. If you're in a bookstore, are you into thrillers or romance? At a coffee shop, what's your go-to order here? This creates natural flow and makes it easier for her to respond. Keep it light, not creepy. This is where most guys blow it. They go too deep too fast. Avoid asking personal questions like, do you have a boyfriend? In the first 30 seconds. Let the energy build first. Watch her signals. If she's smiling, asking questions, or holding eye contact, green light. If she's giving short answers or looking away, thank her politely and walk away with grace. Part 4. Closing it out. How to ask for her number. Don't say, can I have your number? That puts pressure on her. Instead try, hey, I've really enjoyed talking to you. Would it be cool if we exchanged Instagrams or grabbed coffee sometime? Casual, respectful, and low pressure. That's the key. What if she says no? Respect it. Smile, thank her for her time, and walk away. Confidence isn't just about getting a yes, it's about handling rejection. Like a mature human. If you take anything away from this video, let it be this. Girls aren't waiting for the perfect guy. They're waiting for a real one. So be genuine, be respectful, and shoot your shot. You never know what could happen. Like this video if you found it helpful. Hit that subscribe button for more confidence-building tips. And comment below, what's the hardest part about approaching someone in public for you? I'll see you in the next one. Peace.